You need two parts to construct the basic negative in French. I'm going to show you how this works. C'est parti! Quoi de neuf tout le monde? Moi, c'est Magali. Bienvenue if you're new to the French project. This channel is a teaching and learning experiment where I'll give you all the tips and hacks I have collected over my 16 years as a teacher to help you learn French faster. Now, back to the negative. In French, we usually have two parts to the negative, ne and pas. These go around the verb. You may have heard before that it's like a hamburger. Bread, meat, bread. So to summarize, to form the negative in French, you take two negative words and place them around the verb. Et voilà! If you found this video helpful, please leave un pouce, un commentaire or abonne-toi. À plus!